Squashington is dead, but here in the burbs, these guys are crushing it. That's a flower. Flowers coming soon. Okay, you guys, it's Monday and the landscaper tilled all this mulch and took all the weeds out, but he left my squash plants. I guess he felt like it fit the scheme of things, and so he spared it. He probably recognized it wasn't a native species. Native species. All right, the plots are thickening, my friends. Like, there were some beautiful plants here, and the only two plants remaining are my squash plants, and I'm starting to wonder if their days are numbered. I got a zucchini. I'm about ready to tell people to go come pick it soon, but everything else has been weeded out of here. You guys, I can't show you right now, but two of the town workers are checking out my zucchini squash, and they are leaving it be. They even watered it. That's the town workers. I'm just gonna go ahead and say I hope they reap all the benefits of those two plants, because not only did they spare them, but now they are nurturing them. Nice guys.